Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your environment and linking Firebase, because Google Analytics for Firebase is the foundation. Open Firebase, create a project, and add an Android or iOS app. Download Google Services, JSON or Google Service Info. List and place it in the platform folders. Then in PubSpec, YAML add Firebase Core and Firebase Analytics, run Flutter pub-get, and ensure your app compiles. Once done, make sure package versions match your Flutter SDK to avoid build time conflicts. Now integrate analytics into app code so you collect meaningful signals. In main, Dart call widgets Flutter binding, ensure initialized, then await Firebase. Initialize app before run app. Instantiate Firebase Analytics and inject it into widgets or a service class for reuse. Use analytics. Log event name, purchase parameters for custom events and analytics. Log event name, screen view parameters, screen name when navigating. This pattern centralizes tracking and helps you analyze user flows and retention. Finish by wiring platform-specific configs and verifying event delivery. For Android, apply the Google Services plugin and build. Gradle files. For iOS, ensure Google Service Info. Plist is in Runner and the plist is added to the bundle. Build and run on a real device, then open Firebase debug view to watch events stream in. If nothing appears, check that the JSON/plist is in the correct folder, package versions are compatible, and that Pro Guard or network restrictions aren't blocking analytics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.